Welcome back to the 2021 Idea House. I'm Amy Matthews. The siders are just finishing up some of the final details on the exterior of the house. On the inside, the painters, the electricians, and the trim carpenters have been going to town. But one of the most unique aspects of the build has just been completed. We finally removed our temporary stairs to make room for this showpiece. I chose this open rise staircase for its sleek lines and its open concept design. The staircase is secured by a steel stringer. All the fasteners are hidden and there is zero exposed hardware. The low iron tempered glass accentuates the gorgeous floating stairs, but it also allows the house around it to be the focal point. The treads have a clear matte finish. The hardware is covered with end cuts from the treads for a seamless and grain match detail. I wanted these stairs to be a huge part of the story of this house, but the way that they turned out, I think they've taken on a life of their own. Spring is starting to bloom on the farmstead, and our exterior finishes are being installed. This simple but beautiful garage door will perfectly match the stained black cedar that accents the house. Back inside, my garage has actually been turned into a custom cabinet shop. This whole time, Terry has been hard at work building and installing my custom kitchen cabinets. The extra time and money to go custom here is absolutely worth it. Now the gorgeous drawer and door fronts have arrived. Terry installs all of the doors, which we planned to be grain matched. This gives a seamless and modern look and accentuates the clean lines of Scandinavian design. Well, you know you're getting close to the finish line when the toilets are arriving. Toilets are always awkward to carry, and especially when you install them. Yeah. One of the things that drew me to this property were the charming but very weathered outbuildings, but I have got plans for this one. So when I saw this old building, I thought this could be a fantastic workshop and also a guest house. The space has had a lot of water damage over the year, but the foundation is actually good. And when I thought about renovating this space to turn it into both a workshop and a guest house, I figured I would tear the whole thing down because there's hardly anything to salvage. The stuff has been pretty much piecemeal together in every area. With a little help from my friends and family, demo gets underway. Luckily, we found we could salvage much more than we thought we could. We left just the foundation to rebuild upon. To rebuild the outbuilding, I hired another group of amazing friends. We raised the walls, the OSB sheathing went on, installed the skylights, and started to bring this whole workshop to life. Back inside the house, the kitchen is getting some serious love. I picked out white quartz in a concrete finish. This ties in beautifully with the existing concrete floor, but allows the light from the outside to hit the counter and bounce around the space, creating a bright and sunny yet intimate kitchen. Now upstairs to the owner's suite. Utilizing every inch of space that you have in a closet, in a bathroom, anywhere that you are is really, really important to me. So I wanted this closet to be maximized. And this entire closet system is gonna do just that. I think it's gonna be amazing. We are getting closer and closer to the finish line as the plumbing fixtures are finally being installed. Work is happening everywhere, which is a great sign. But this kitchen is really coming together. The first appliances are in. This hearth oven is going to be amazing. The chef's range is in, the pot filler, and the panel-ready appliances are in place and ready for their panels. My amazing trim carpenters created this stunning monolith, which is a focal point in the center of the house, but very natural as it's wrapped all in white oak panels. But one of my favorite parts of this design is the hidden pantry. Check this out. Now, what house can't use a little extra storage and a working pantry? There'll be a sink, a microwave in here, and all the storage you ever needed. But in the meantime, it's pretty much the cruise closet. The natural landscape and this man-made waterfall that will be running soon were all aspects of this property that drew me in. It's a really, really magical space. And adding landscaping and hardscaping to the new build created some unique challenges, but also a lot of opportunities. I wanted to integrate the two seamlessly. And in order to do that, I needed to pick the right products. Since there is natural limestone existing on the property, it seemed like a no-brainer to use limestone for the front walkway and steps, and also the backyard patio. The limestone also ties in really nicely to the poured concrete floor on the inside. The landscapers continued their work by adding a lot of mulch, some plantings, and quite a bit of sod to get this place looking less like a construction zone and a lot more like a home. And can you believe it? The movers are here. They are loading furniture and decor into the home. So we'll be ready for the next episode when we tour the inside of the 2021 Idea House.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.